If you want to unlock precise volume control on your Samsung phone, as you can see now, we are switching one by one, not for example by 10 from 60 to 70. So how we can do this? Well, it's quite simple, but first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And we have to go for Samsung Galaxy Store, not Google Play Store actually, because it will be not available for us. So now you have to go for apps. Now we have to go into the right upper corner. Now we have to search for Good Lock. So over here is search, input Good Lock, go for this, open this, and now you have to just download and open. And by the way, I know that it's not available for every Samsung phone, so we have to keep this in mind. But in some S series and A series, like the higher A series, we can actually find it. Now you have to download with this button the Sound Assistant plugin. Once you actually do that, you will have to go below, and here we can find this feature that will allow us to actually precisely change the step volume on almost any Samsung phone.